Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla and Deadpool as one character. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's get right into it. Okay, let's go over that mixture of Godzilla and Deadpool. So we're going to go over here, we're going to pull out for Godzilla's snout, pull down, pull back. Up over here for the side of the head, curve back for kind of a very flat part of Godzilla's head. Right now we're starting with the shape of Godzilla's head. Downward over here. So remember that the head gets bigger as it goes downward for Godzilla, right? His neck gets huge as it goes downward. Let's go over here for curve right here on one side, curve underneath for the eye, and it gives like this very, almost like a peanut-like shape right there. Sometimes that's bad, sometimes that's good, but right now we're good. That's good. Curve right here for the circle for kind of that Deadpool-like design. And then we're going to fill that in totally dark, okay? Okie doke. Pulling out over here for his arm just a bit, down. Over here on this side for the front of his body, and then curve out over here for the arm downward as well. Line over here in. Let's do his thumb. And he has kind of a, the claw hands right there going on. And then pulling outward down here. It gets larger as it goes down. Curve over here. And then if you want, we can throw like the thumb on this side. Curve, curve, curve. Line under there. Okay. So let's get into his spikes. So I'm going to make them kind of square here. And the reason I'm going to do that is I want it to look kind of like the katana. I know that's kind of crazy, but it gets bigger as it goes down, like stair step. And like right here, body keeps coming out over here. And it starts to get a little bit smaller around this area. Downward over here. All right. Curve along the side over here. Curve along the side over here. Kind of side over here. For the arm, kind of that color change that's going on within the outfit. But hopefully you guys are having a great day, by the way. I didn't say that. A line across over here for kind of the collared area. And then we're going to fill that shape in right there. Let's fill that in. So there's really not a lot of scales because, it's covered in cloth, right? That's kind of the way the character is. Line over here along the edge is another black portion of it. And along the wrist, there's black. So let's fill that in right here at the wrist. He's almost got like a wrist band area, but it's really just kind of a colored surface of the cloth of the outfit. And then let's go over here, and we're going to fill in this side. But I want to leave a little bit of that line exposed right there. Otherwise, you're not really going to be able to see it if I fill that entire shape in. Hopefully that makes sense right there. Same thing over here. We're going to leave a little sliver exposed, right? Leave it totally white, and then we're going to fill in the area around it. If you want to see any other interesting mixtures, let me know. What I want you to do is I want you guys to check out the links in the description. I'm putting a Godzilla free guide to download that you could kind of learn. They're worksheets. They're really cool. Go take a look at them in the description. I don't know if I'm going to put them there by the time this video comes out, but They are a long time coming. Oopsie daisy. Sorry about that. I hope I'm not moving the camera. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like learning Godzilla, like those worksheets are for people who like, you know, if you want to be able to draw Godzilla on the fly, right? Like, oh, just completely from your mind's eye. Like you're sitting around, you're like relaxing. You know, like, you know, I'm going to do a drawing session. You can just draw it from your mind. That's kind of who that's for, like if you want that. And that's kind of it, honestly. Is this it? Yeah, it's pretty, like a pretty flat color right here. I guess you could kind of add some extra stuff over here on the spikes, maybe like for shadow. But you don't really have to for shadow's sake. All right, something like that. You could, if you want, you can draw the belt right here. It's like a belt, kind of around near his waist area, or his waist, obviously. And then you could draw the little lines downward, kind of in those with those divisions. And if you really want, you can draw like the pockets right here, like a V-shaped dot, V-shaped dot, V-shaped dot, V-shaped dot, right there for the pockets along that belt. But either way, that's pretty much it. I want you to say hi, hit the like button, by the way, if you did like the mixture, and share the video if you can. And I'll talk to you in the next video. So let's stick around, and we're going to do another drawing lesson together, okay? Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.